everyone, this is Jessica from Petite Wreath Boutique. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Today I'm making this very cute Easter wreath with you. And to start, we go over the supplies. So first of all, I use this wooden sign, this very cute happy Easter sign. And to attach it and prepare it for the wreath, I used these popsicle sticks and 8-inch zip ties. You can also use pipe cleaners if you would like to. To attach it, I used a staple gun. The next step is the wire frame. I used a 16-inch one, and I like to cover the back of my wreath. I cut out a piece of felt and I attach it with 4-inch zip ties. And the showcase of this wreath is the mesh. I really love this pretty super cute patterned mesh in combination with this pink and bluish color. To attach it, I do use these 6-inch zip ties in white, and to cut it I did use the wood burner with this tip. For the back, to create like a little hook, I use this string, the butcher, twine, however you want to call it. At this point of the project, I didn't know yet what kind of ribbon I wanted to use, but I do use this floral ribbon to create a bow on Pro Bow the hand, my favorite tool. And you need sharp scissors and a wire cutter. So let's get started. On this project, I will only use ring 2 and 3 on the wire frame. I did cut the mesh in 12 inches. I used the curl side down. I do find the middle and walk my fingers up, holding it tight, and then attach it to ring 3 or 2 if you count from the outside. Close the zip tie, make sure it's really tight, cut off the excessive zip tie, and that's it. I rotated the color in this project, so I use the pink one now. On the edges, as you can see, curl side down again. On the edges I use like an inch. Oh, there's my cat. My kitty cat wanted to say hi too. So I'm sorry, an inch on both sides. Find the middle, walk your fingers up, attach it to the wreath frame, cut the excessive zip tie off, and go over to the next color. Again, curl side down, like 1 inch on both sides, fold it inside, walking up the fingers in the middle, holding it tight and putting it on the ring. I had the blue on 3, pink on 2, and the pattern on 3 again. Cut off the excessive zip tie, push it up together, and I had 9 ruffles, like 9 of these mesh ruffles on each bar. The next video I wanted to show you how to make a bow. I thought I recorded the slow-mo version instead of recording how I was cuddling with my puppy, so sorry about that. Now you get the fast motion about that video. If you would like to see how I make these bows in slow motion, please leave me a comment below and I can create a new video for you. So I attach the bows to the wreath frame, and I do make a little hook at this point of the video. As you can see, I just used a twine and attach it to the wreath frame. Make sure you really find the middle. Then I put on this felt on the wreath frame and use very sharp scissors to create like a little hole, pinch through it, and then I used the 4-inch zip ties to go through the hole and attach it to the wire frame. to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And I just like to cover the back of my wreath since I have a glass door and I really don't want it to be scratched. So it's up to you. And now you just continue doing this around the wreath until it's secure all the way. Last step is to fold up the bows. What you do is you just put your fingers in it and fluff it up, and that's the magic to it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you like that wreath, you can buy it on my website, petitewreathboutique.com. And yeah, I enjoy doing this wreath for you. I really think it turned out super cute with these pastel colors, super inviting for spring. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it too. See you next time. Bye.